today, whatever the technology we try and adapt, it goes from the fixed point of sale to a mobility. So that becomes a challenge for technology company like Posiflex or Intel to come up with an innovative solutions to meet the ever-growing need of the retail industry. So we come up with a new model called the MT4008, which is a mobile tablet-based point of sale devices.
So the one biggest challenge which we face probably in festival seasons. So one instance where we can start is Diwali 2015. That is where the maximum people will come, and the one biggest challenge for any retailer is converting the customers into bills. So each customer will come, they will select it, but immediately we have to make it a bill, and so that we can serve the next customer. Traditionally we were using other systems which was there, the regular desk systems, and we contacted Posiflex and we wanted to do something mobile over there. They gave us a POS machine first, and with that we introduced multiple POS machines, and our salesmen were provided with POS machines from Posiflex. They felt very happy with it due to the robustness, the responsiveness of the touch screen. They felt it very happy with that. So then we went little further. They came up with a machine XT4008. I think that was a machine which had a barcode scanner at the bottom, and top we had a screen as well. Because it is built in Windows, we were able to integrate it with our already existing software solution, and this made us easy for making our bill. Billing is a separate process only for us, not for the customer. Customer is coming only for taking the product. So once they select it, the time we take for giving the product to them after they select it, it should be shorter. So we were able to reduce the time, hence probably at least for 50% we were able to reduce the time, and that helped our customer. They feel very happy with that. From our sales point of view, since we are able to reduce the time we take for a single customer without affecting the satisfaction time, because they should also be happy. So the time without affecting their time, we were able to make the number of customers we serve much more higher. Daily we take the stock, and it is a time consuming process. And earlier we did have a device which was a handheld device. We were able to take the stock, but it was taking time because we have to take it manually. Then we have to, that was a different task altogether. Now what we have is a software integrated with the hardware, which works integratedly without any interference. We just have to scan it, immediately it integrates and it counts inside the software. So we don't have to do much things outside. Intel and Posiflex gave us a solution which, more than a product, it was a solution which was built for everything. First, it was built for the quick thing which we needed, the responsiveness. The touch was good. Second, the robustness of the product, where because we are taking it all around the place, and with the crowd which we have, it will fall for sure, but nothing should happen. So it was there. Further, the amount of time we take, or the customer should feel that they are getting served faster, and that is happening here. So thanks for that, Posiflex and Intel.
The customer is get used to the tablet technology because of their gaming and entertainment purpose. That leads to an adaptation of the technology. Why not even in the retail segment or hospitality segment or a transaction segment? This translates the business avenue for us. So we pioneering in the point of sale technology. Posiflex and Intel developed a product MT4008